Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you struggle to stick to a budget? It's time to revolutionize your budgeting with zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is a method where every dollar you earn is allocated to a specific category. This means you give every dollar a job, whether it's for bills, savings, or entertainment. By giving every dollar a purpose, you're able to track your expenses more effectively and avoid overspending. It also helps you prioritize your spending based on your financial goals. To start zero-based budgeting, first list all your sources of income. Then list out all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent and variable costs like groceries. Next, subtract your expenses from your income to ensure your budget equals zero. If there's any leftover money, allocate it towards savings or debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting requires discipline and regular tracking of your expenses. But with practice, it can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. So, are you ready to revolutionize your budgeting with zero-based budgeting? Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your financial life. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks.